Hello guys, this is Kudo, and today in this video will be a complementary video about the two other videos I made about the ArFundation and the ArSession about the augmented reality. And in this video I will show you how you can turn off detection and how you can hide or show the plane when you detect some. So let's get into it. So before watching this video, make sure to see the two other videos I make about the ArFundation. I will put a link in the description and a link on the corner. So last time I let you with this scene, we were able to spawn an object and we were able to move this object in the certain area. So right now what I'm gonna do, something very easy. So first thing we need to do, we need to create, so let's create a UI and let's create a toggle. So where is the toggle? There it is. So in this toggle, it will create a canvas. So make sure in this canvas you are on screen space overlay. Let's change the constant pixel size on scale with screen size. Let's put an achieve reference resolution 920 by 1080. All right. And make sure in this canvas we want to create an empty game object. This will call the container like this, and make sure the container take a full space and make sure left right, so put 0 everywhere like this and like this. So drag and drop your toggle inside the container and make sure the toggle is on the good place like this. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now, so we need to make this toggle bigger, so something very easy. Again, in this video I will not show you how you can manage to make this toggle responsive for each device. So let's make this with maybe 300 and the height maybe 200 like this. The background, so let's the label, so let's maybe label like this. Okay, make the toggle okay, make it center, or maybe center here. What we're gonna do, maybe the width maybe 50 by maybe 100. Okay, let's move his position like this. Okay, poof. Okay, so maybe we can change his anchor to be in center like this. So what we can do inside the toggle, we can create an empty, so we can create a text mesh pro like this. What we're gonna do, we want to take the label, copy the component and paste it on this text mesh pro like this, and we can remove the label, we can delete it. This one on the text mesh pro, what will be very nice to be in center, so like this and like this. And I think the toggle, or maybe we can maybe make it bigger, maybe 100, yeah, 100 by 100. And maybe this check mark, what we're gonna do like this, we want to spread this, we will put 0 0 0 and 0 like this, will be in center. Sorry for the pixelization, but it's the default image of the toggle. So as you can see, we got some beautiful toggles. So let's rename the toggle. So I don't need to be in red, I want this to be in white like this. And let's put here hide slash show plane. So this toggle will allow me to hide or show the plane during the ArSession. So make sure to make auto size like this, will be not disturbed by the size of your text. And what we're gonna do, we just want to take this toggle and put it so like this here. and make sure, so 0, 0, and maybe we can this like this, so maybe, yeah, minus 200 and minus 200 will be fine. Like this, we are sure we got everything. So right now, let's rename this toggle hide show plain. Okay, let's duplicate this toggle like this, Command D or Control D, and instead of making in this corner, we'll just make the other corner like this, and maybe 200 and minus 200 like this, and we can rename it. So this one will be turn on toggle turn on off detection, turn on off detection. Okay, and in the text, so let's put another text, so turn on off detection. Oops, sorry. Detection. Okay, so the UI part is now finished. We can save this in, and let's open our RM manager spawn. So let's find the script and open it in Visual Studio. So as you can see, I open it in Visual Studio. Remember, we make some function. So what I'm gonna do here, I will create a private, right now, void onClick hide show AR plane like this, and make sure to add a parameter, so a bool, so is on, because we are using toggle like this, and another one, so the other one. So let's copy and paste this. So onClick, not hide show AR plane, but onClick turn on off detection plane like this. So this will be my onClick function. All right, so right now what I need to have is something very simple. I will just need to add, so let's add a serial, so not maybe here, maybe just after. So let's create a serialize field, and what we're gonna do, so let's create a private or a plane manager, and let's name it, so oops, our plane manager. Very easy. I like to use underscore, so like this. Don't forget the semicolon. Save this, and what we're gonna do, so let's again create another function, so private hide show AR plane. So again, show AR plane, so private void like this. And again, as I told you, if you follow me, I like to separate the onClick function and the function I coded. So I will just need to call this function. Do not again forget to put bool is on, because we need this, like this, like this, and like this. So okay, so I will just call this function, and I will code this function to hide and show AR plane here. So to hide and show AR plane, what I need to do, so I need to to make a for each. So what I'm gonna say, so on this for each var, so game object in the AR plane manager dot trackable. So basically this will retrieve all the game object trackable you are spawning on your scene. What I'm gonna do, I just want to make our plane manager, so where it is, plane manager, there it is, dot enable equal to is on. So we call it here, and we will make the same for the turn off detection plane. So let's create another private void function. So turn on off detection plane. So again, bool is on like this, and make sure in this function, very easy, we just want to make our plane manager dot enabled equal to is on like this. So do not forget to call your function here. So is on, okay. We can now save everything and we can head back to Unity. My desk like this, okay. And now let's try the detection. So, okay, so again, let's try to detect something. Let me just put more light. Oh, that's it. Make sure to have some light for the detection. So as you can see, we detect some plane. Okay. Now let's try to turn on and off the detection. So let me click on it. And as you can see, if I try to switch on my, say hi to my roommate's dog, as you can see, so make sure, so let's retrieve the R manager spawn. So in the R manager spawn, we got the R plane manager who is not attributed. So let's find the R session origin. And as you can see, we got the R plane manager here. So let's drag and drop this, very easy. And make sure to not forget to call this function on your toggle. So this one is here, so on value change bool, so here. So let's drag and drop the array like this, and let's call the function. So this one is turn on off detection. So there it is. So where it is, so oh, sorry, my mistake, my bad. So let's head back to Visual Code and let's make this function public, because it will not work if you make it private. So let's save this again and let's head back to Unity. So again, let's head back to the toggle. So let's look for the function, and as you can see, you got the dynamic bool here. So what we want to attribute here is on turn off on detection plane here. And for the show hide and show plane, same like this. Okay, oops, not this one, sorry. Spawn manager, okay, like this. And let's look for the function hide show plane like this. So now we can save everything, and what we need to do, last thing, is to build on our device. So as you can see, we deploy on my device and we got the two toggle. So the turn on off detection and the hide show plane. So now let's detect some plane. So I will unplug my device and you will see my desk like this. Okay. And now let's try the detection. So, okay. So again, let's try to detect something. Let me just put more light. Oh, that's it. Make sure to have some light for the detection. So as you can see, we detect some plane. Okay. Now let's try to turn on and off the detection. So let me click on it. And as you can see, if I try to switch on my, say hi to my roommate's dog, as you can see, we can't detect anymore the plane. And now let's try to hide and show the plane, because it's a lot of plane. So like this, and as you can see here, we can just hide and show, but still we can move our cube. And if you want to maybe again see the plane like this, we can just still toggle this hide and show plane. And if we hide and show, if we show the plane and we turn on again the detection, as you can see, if I move like this, we detect again the plane. So basically, guys, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video and I catch you in the next time. Bye bye.